32, turn right at 300 to lead, speed restrictions, expect direct land 6 shortly. UPS 5488, visual 21 left.
5488, Metro Tower, wind, calm, runway 21 left, clear to land.
21 left, UPS 5488.
2067, there's a flock of birds pretty low right off the approach end. A67, roger, thank you. Delta 2067, what's the gate?
Alpha 72, Delta 2067.
Right, I'm sorry, you did tell me that. Left on Whiskey, Tango, Juliet 900, contact the ramp, Delta 2067. Team 55, contact departure, great night.
Delta 1355, good day.
.68 at Papa 3, cross runway 21 right, join Foxtrot and contact ground point 8.
3 cross 21 right, join Foxtrot and ground point 8, break here 3468.
Air 4874, Metro Tower, Jan.
4874.
874, runway 21 left, cleared to land, what was the gate?
21 left, marking Alpha 59, Endeavor 4874.
74, roger, cross runway turbulence, previous arrival, heavy Boeing 787. 7 Kilo Golf Heavy, turn right at Juliet and right on Whiskey.
On Juliet, right on Whiskey, Turkish 7 Kilo Golf.
Contact departure, have a great day.
Alaska 313.
Metro Tower, low SkyWest 4096, visual 21 left, parking Bravo 7.
4096, Metro Tower, good evening, copy the gate, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Left, clear to land, guys, 4096.
.1728, Metro Tower, good evening, runway 21 right, line up and wait.
Wait at 21 right, American 1728.
378, Papa Heavy, turn right at Tango, Juliet 9er, and contact the ramp.
Juliet 9er and contact the ramp, Air Force 378, over.
Contact departure, good day.
1429.
The gate.
We're going to Bravo 16, 4780.
3781, taxi south, contact ground 28, good day.
Taxi south, ground 20.
2036, contact departure, good day.
2036. Metro Tower, runway 2 and right, line up and wait for me just a minute for the release time for Boston.
2 on right, line up and wait, clear wings 180, roger.
Delta 2604, contact departure.
Delta 2604.
PS 5488 Heavy Whiskey 2, unless you want to try and make a 180 there.
Take Whiskey 2, thanks.
2 Whiskey, Whiskey 4, cross runway 2 off Sierra 1, ramp, good night.
Take Whiskey 2, Whiskey 4, clear across runway 21, Sierra 1, good night, thanks.
Contact departure.
313.
1468, Tango ground 0.8, good day.
0.8, Delta 1468, good day.
And 57 RNAV to Sturgeon, runway 2 right, close takeoff.
Okay, 2 on right, close takeoff, Scout, sir.
778, Metro Tower, 2 on right, line up and wait.
Right, line up and wait for 57.
Yeah, 954 Whiskey 2. Sorry, Whiskey Papa 3, hold short of runway 2 and right.
Whiskey 2, Papa 3, and hold short of 1, right. Sorry, 2-1 right.
2358 Metro Tower, runway 2 right, line up 18.
Line up 18, Delta 2358.
Contact departure.
Departure out 2761.
Airbus 3988, visual 21 left.
3988, Metro Tower, runway 21 left, go to land, wind calm.
21 left, Airbus 3988.
Country 8206, Whiskey 2, Whiskey Papa 3, hold short, runway 21 right.
82 Whiskey, Papa 3, hold short, 21 right, Sun Country 8206.
3428, Metro Tower, wind 330 at 3.
Tower Delta 2189, visual 21 left, parking Alpha 73.
39 Metro Tower, runway 21 left, go to land.
Clear land, Delta 2189.
Team 54, RNAV to Joe Lou, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff.
That's Joe Lou, 21 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 1454.
And 63 Metro Tower, runway 21 right, line up 18.
Good afternoon, Tower showing 734 visual, 21 left.
Clear 734 Metro Tower, wind 3005, runway 21 left, go to land.
And 21 left, fairwing 730, 4.
1643, contact departure.
Departure American 1643. Tower Delta 1468, visual 21 left, parking Alpha 24.
Delta 1468, Metro Tower, runway 21 left, go to land, wind 3004 at 4, caution wake turbulence, heavy Airbus short final.
Land 24 left, 21 left, traffic inside Delta 1468.
.37 Heavy, Tango ground point 8.
Oh, ground point 8 for Delta 137 Heavy. Right, line boy Delta 1652.
1452, RNAV Sergey, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Sergey, 21 right, clear for takeoff,
1243, match tower, runway 21 right, line of weight, wind 290 at 11, gust 14.
21 right, Delta 1243.
3634, contact departure, good day.
Alright, 21 left, collect the land, Cal 3660.
SkyWest 4021's visual 21 left.
4021, match tower, runway 21 left, clear to land, wind 300 at 3, gust 14.
And 21 left, SkyWest 4021.
Delta 2573, match tower, runway 21 right, line up weight, wind 290 at 3, gust 14.
Right, line for weight, Delta 2573.
Turn right at Juliet, taxi Whiskey Papa 3, hold short, runway 21 right.
Whiskey Papa 3, hold short 21 right, up 2577.
3188, traffic hold, cross runway 21 right.
Delta 2943 as well.
Contact departure, have a great day.
Delta 135, good day.
It was 3834, 200, clear for takeoff, RNAV forward.
Takeoff, RNAV forward,
Okay, with 3990, Metro 208, line up and wait.
And Metro Tower, Redbird, ready to move off station. We'll be departing to the north.
Redbird, roger, radar service terminated, frequency change approved, have a nice day.
Terminated, approved. Good one to you as well. Thanks, Redbird.
Cross from me to right, Foxtrot, Uniform 7, contact the ramp.
2 right, Foxtrot, Uniform 7, contact ramp, 7.199.
Contact departure.
Curve 3235
Cleared northbound Whiskey.
734, yep, Whiskey, left Papa 3, hold short 2 and right.
Whiskey, left turn Papa 3, hold short, 2 and right, 3 wing 7.
Whiskey 2, Whiskey Papa 3, hold short of 21 right.
Alright, Whiskey 2, Whiskey Papa 3, short of 21 right, Brickyard 4414.
2934, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff, RNAV to Joe Road.
RNAV to Joe Road, clear for takeoff. Right,
4675, contact departure, have a great day.
Departure number 4675, good day.
1728, you got Whiskey 2?
We got Whiskey 2 for American 1728.
1728, right, Whiskey, Papa 3, hold short of runway 2 on right.
Whiskey, Papa, hold short of 2 on right for American 1728.
Airbus 3988, what's the gate?
49, SkyWest 3988.
3988, Whiskey Papa 3, hold short runway 2 right.
3, hold short, 2 on left,
SkyWest 3988. 1228, contact departure.
Departure Delta 1228.
Country 8206, cross runway 2 on right, contact ground point 8.
Total 6110, runway 29, clear for takeoff on nav 2, Sergey. Departure, have a great day.
Delta 2203 again.
Turn at Tango, please. Juliet 9, contact the ramp. Have a great day.
Tango, Juliet 9, over the ramp, Delta 2840.
cross 2 on right, joint Foxtrot, ground there 12118.
Delta 3, clear cross runway 2 on right, joint Foxtrot, ground
2735, contact departure.
Archer 2735.
50, contact departure.
Delta 2358, we'll see ya.
Contact departure.
Geometric 5577.
D60 Metro Tower, wind 280 our name is Sergey, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff. Before 80 Metro Tower, wind calm, runway 2 on right, line of wing.
Run right, line up and wait, Delta 2480.
Operation Tango, Colonel altimeter 3010.
Record 8225, thanks.
Exit Juliet, right turn Papa, I'll have more.
Hit Papa, Delta, turn 2741.
621 on end to Sergey, when we turn right up takeoff. 381 contact departure.
And then 381, yep. Delta 47 today.
1322, contact departure. Have a great day.
So 1322, bye-bye. Tower Delta 1652 with you 11 out on the visual 21 left, we're going to Alpha 7.
1632, Mr. Charles, hello, wind 3004, on me 21 left, clear to land.
1 left, Delta 1632.
Contact departure.
Delta 1133, see ya.
Arnav Sergey, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, Arnav Sergey, Delta 1243.
Arrival Heavy Airbus, wind 2908, gust 14.
Clear to land, 21 left, Delta 31, we are parking in Alpha 59.
17 Heavy, turn right at Tango, contact ground point 8.
And ground point 8, Delta 17 Heavy.
3 miles southeast bound 9 for 6,737.